how fast can I get a 700 credit score, and how should I go about paying down these 3 credit cards? We got a person here, a Reddit user, that has about $9,500 in credit card debt, $8,000 on one, $1,000 another, and $500 on the last one. They're in the 500s right now. They want to get into the 700s so they can make moves within the next year. So, and credit utilization being 35%, is going to require you to get these 3 credit cards down below 7% credit utilization. I'm pretty sure you're pretty close to maxed out from what it sounds like in your question. So there's a couple different ways you can go. Probably the easiest to do is to make your regular payments on your $8,000 and your $1,000, and then take any extra money that you have and add it to the $500 plus your minimum payment or whatever you're paying. Try to get that paid off as quickly as possible. And once you get that $500 paid off, you take that minimum payment, add it to the minimum payment of your $1,000, and add any extra money you can, and you continue to pay down that debt until the $1,000 is down. And then do the same thing for the $8,000 until you have 7% or lower credit utilization on all 3 of your cards. If you're able to do that within a year's time or even a year and a half's time, your credit score will skyrocket and you'll probably be in the 700s. So follow me for more tips. And if you're looking to improve your credit score this year, see the pinned video in my profile. Peace.